Today I'm going to show you Fulton and Rockport, Texas, two towns which have basically grown together into one. While there are a bunch of little towns in this 40 or 50 mile strip, these are the ones you have to go to. This is where everything that you'll want to see is. This is coming across the bridge from Goose Island State Park, which will be in another video. First thing you're going to come to is a little public pier and boat dock. I'll give you a few views of that. And luckily, cranes have made a comeback in our lifetime. I thought this was interesting because it said in the 1940s there were only estimated to be 16 cranes living in the wild, almost extinct. I'll ask you to excuse any wind noise. I'm going to shut up now and let you enjoy some of this scenery. Where else can you get this kind of a view at a McDonald's?